Well, in this video we're in Kansas, and I don't normally like night hunts, but boy was I proven wrong on this one. Tim and I both fill nighttime tags. Well, for my hunt, it's the first night, and we are pumped to be hunting. Well, in reality, we're exhausted from driving, and we just ran right out and got into a blind, so we're a little tired. Between naps, I was doing a little bit of blind calling, and before too long, I saw 3 jakes along the wood line. When Phil took a look, he was quick to point out that one of them was a tom.
One to the right to Tom.
Well, the wind was howling, but I turned the STRUTT'N 360 to turn the tail towards those birds, and it was all it took to bring them in on a string. Let's watch that again.
Oh, this is why I don't like hunting at night. Oh shit, Phil, there's chicks over there. Oh, that's a tom. Oh, it's my first Rio.
Rio down, baby. I couldn't have asked for a better first Rio, and this bird had hooks. Wow. Now the next day, Phil and Jim are in the blind together, and they ended up doubling up. So now it was just down to Tim.
Oh my god, there's so many turkeys.
Now the next morning, Tim and I were all over a tom, and he just was so henned up we could not pull him off those hen. Not to worry, big boy, because we know where you roost. So it came down to the last night we were there, and Tim was getting serious, so he put on his best hunting outfit, which happened to be blue shorts and flip-flops. Phil went all out with decoy motion. It didn't take long for birds to come out and start working the field. Finally, that big boss tom came out of the Milo and started working our way.
I think he's gonna come closer.
Well, right at the last minute, the big boss tom peels off just out of range. But the 2 right behind him come in and take a little closer look. At this point, we're down to the last minute of shooting light, and so it was now or never.
He's all you move.
Take him if you want him.
Right now.
Look at old Timmy in his shorts. Got a little hot in Kansas. Oh yeah, flip-flops.
Well, Tim tagged out and we're on our way to Wyoming. Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, click the bell to be notified of new videos, and click right here to watch more videos. Thanks for watching.